Okay, so to create a new course, here if you go and log in to Sakai and you click here on the top right on sites, you can go here and create a new site. Okay, course site or project site. I would actually create a project site. I think course site would have to be, linked to a VITS course, and you've already got one, and I don't want to create complications. So let's do a project site, click continue, and it's called site title. We can talk Geology 1000A 2020, and call it, if yours is surface processes. You would call it that. Can I just call it test so that you don't create one that's a duplicate of mine? You can just create a description and say this is all the service processes notes, blah, blah, blah. Make sure you're the contact person and your email is right, and you would click continue. And then here you can choose all the stuff that you want to be available on the site. So you probably want to do assignments, a calendar is nice, forums. I'm starting to learn Gradebook. You can actually put their grades in. Put meetings, because this big blue button is supposed to be this online conferencing functionality, but I can't get it to work, but put it there anyway. Polls. I've never actually run a poll, but it could be cool. Resources. Resources are like folders you can put stuff in. Tests and quizzes. Wikis. I want to learn how to use wikis. Okay, reuse material from another site. No thanks. Click continue. To set up access, so do you want to publish the site, display it in site browser, limit to official course users? I think that's all fine. Click continue. Confirm your setup selections. Just click create site. I don't know if now it has to go through ICT for them to agree that it's okay. I don't think so. I think it'll automatically show up at the top of the screen. I don't know how long it takes. Okay, so it says test has been created. Okay, if I refresh. Okay, you can see it pops up here. So if I click on test up at the top, I go down here to site info, and I click here on add participants. You can now physically type in student numbers. So you have to put one on each line. So it says enter multiple each on a separate line, no punctuation. And then assign participants, same role, and then you should just click continue and it should add them. That is what I understand. I've tried it before and it's worked, but I've never had the person I've added actually use the site, so I'm not actually 100% sure it worked. So give it a try.